Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support so far, for watching my videos. For my subscribers, I love you so much, and for my intended subscribers, you are welcome. In today's video, we'll be making shortbread biscuits, and the ingredients we will use are all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, granulated sugar or icing sugar or your powdered sugar. Any of the sugar can go, and the powdered sugar, the flour and the unsalted butter are the three major ingredients for this biscuit. I'll be using cornstarch. This is optional, but I love it in my biscuit, so that's why I'm adding it. We'll be using salt. I will just need a pinch of salt for this recipe. So guys, let's get started. In an empty bowl, I'm going to put in my unsalted butter. My unsalted butter has to be at room temperature. How I will know it is at room temperature is that when I pressed on it, it just melts inside. So if you intend to use your butter and it's in the fridge, please bring it out and keep it at room temperature before you start using it. The next thing I'll be adding to this butter is my sugar. I'm going to add in my sugar into this. Then I'll go ahead to mix the both together. You can actually use your spatula if you have to mix this with your hands. You can as well use your hand mixer. So in this video, I'm using my hand mixer. Anyone can go. The purpose of the mixing is just that the two of them can get mixed together to form a smooth texture. I will continue to mix them until I notice they are both mixed together. They are both incorporated together. Then I will stop mixing. The next thing I will be adding is my all-purpose flour. I will go in and sieve it into the mixture. This is to enable me to sieve out if there is any particle inside the flour, so it will help me to sieve it out. So that's why I'm sieving it. I will also go ahead to add in my cornstarch and sieve everything into the mixture of butter and sugar. I will go on and add my pinch of salt. After that, I will mix everything together. I will mix everything together until they are well incorporated, they are well mixed together. After that, I will go on to use my hand to knead it into a dough. So in this my own mixture, I got two doughs. The next step, I will go ahead and wrap each of them. Wrap it inside a clean film and then put it straight into my fridge, not freezer, and let it stay for 30 minutes before rolling it out to my desired shape. So guys, it's now 30 minutes. We just brought it out of the fridge. The next step is to roll it out to our desired shape. So guys, you can choose to cut it big. You can choose to cut it small. Also note that when you are flattening it should not be tiny, it should be thick, because we are making shortbread, so it shouldn't be flat. Cut it to your desired shape. After that, go on and use your spatula to separate it gently while placing it inside your pan that is being lined with a baking sheet. Go on and make a hole inside the biscuit with a fork, like the way I'm doing it. After that,
then our biscuit is ready to be transferred into the oven. Turn your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Put in your biscuit inside it and let it stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it so that it doesn't get burned.
After rolling out our two doughs into the flat shape of our shortbread biscuits, this will be the remaining pieces. So we are going to make this into a circle shape instead of a rectangular shape. Just take a look at it and see how I formed the circle shape. I will get my cling film, place the remaining pieces inside it, wrap it up, and then roll it on my kneading mat. After rolling it out on our kneading mat, then we have a circle shape. Then I'll go ahead and cut it into the size I want. Do that gently. After cutting it into the size I want, I'll go ahead and place it inside my baking pan that is being lined with baking sheet. Then it's ready to be transferred into the oven. Remember, I said the oven should be at 150 degrees Celsius. You bake the biscuit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is the outcome of our biscuit. This is the first batch that we did, and this is the second batch. You can place it on your rack to get cold. Once it is cold enough, just transfer it into an airtight container. Then you are good to go. You can see our own that has just been packaged and the one that is yet to be packaged. So guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell button so that you'll be the first to get the notification when I post a video. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up.